Hi everyone, I'm from Regrob.com and today in this video we are at Concorde Spring Meadows project which is located on Hesaraghatta Main Road, Bangalore. This project is sprawled over 3.24 acres of land. So this is the view of connecting road in front of the project. And now we'll give you the interior view of a 3 BHK model apartment of Concorde Spring Meadows. So this we have entered into the apartment, and right here is the living room, the spacious living room with an attached balcony. Here comes the first bedroom of this model apartment. The spacious bedroom, skillfully designed. This is the wardrobe. Here is the common washroom of this flat. It's quite spacious. And now we are moving towards the another bedroom. And here is an attached washroom with this bedroom. Again, here you can see the beautiful interior work has been done. So now moving next, here is the dining room. Over there you can see the dimension of this dining area. And just opposite to the dining hall, this is the modular kitchen. And here is a separate utility area. And now we are moving towards the master bedroom. So friends, this is the view of a spacious master bedroom. And here is an attached washroom with ultra modern fittings. So in this video we have given you the interior view of a 3 BHK model flat. So thank you friends for watching this video. For more fresh real estate updates, kindly subscribe to our channel, and for site visit enquiries, you can call us at the number given in the description. Thank you.